Okay, so the first thing I do is I have to make sure the water is 140 degrees, so I have to keep regulating the water. And then, this one's a little hot. So I just dip the chicken. And actually I am counting off in my head. 4 seconds each dip, 4 times. That's pretty much what I do. That water's a little hot still. And then I test the leg feathers and dip them one more time, just for good measure. One of these inside feathers. So then once I get 2 done, I put them in the spinner, put my water on, and I spin it for about 30 seconds. Test them. Freshly nice plucked. You know how to get to this. And I rinse them. So I don't leave any major ones, and then I give it to cough.
I am cleaning out the inside. I get the fun part. One thing you don't want to do is cut into his intestines. That's bad. Probably the most difficult part of this is to get out the get the lungs out after it's all over with. That's the neck, and you cut the feet off.
So I'm cleaning the inside of the chicken after Dad's cleaned all the guts out. So that way you make sure, because when you go to cook it, you don't want to have leftover gut pieces in there. You just have to, the lung likes to stick in there really well. So it's, you have to. See, there's some lung. Nice piece of lung there. I think. Yeah. Nope, that's just a vein. There's some other veins in here. There might be a windpipe in there somewhere, but I got it. Well, you left part of it. I can feel it. Okay, there we go. This is the windpipe. It's almost like an accordion. You kind of use the hose and it helps get all those little pieces out.